itself, that's the cemetery for the monkeys. And also we buried 2 people among them. They were the priests of the monkeys. And as a human being, when you become the priest of the monkeys and you die, you have to be buried among the monkeys. And also there were 2, 1 male, 1 female. And as a female, before you are to be the priest of the monkeys, or to say priestess, you're supposed to be a virgin. So that lady, Boabeng, she lived 120 years virgin until she died. And after the death of her, we don't have another one. But for the male, we have another one in the village. And also the monarch monkeys, they live 15 years before they will die. And then the black and white colobos, 25 years. And also the causes of their death is that some may fall from a tree and then die. And some may also die of old age.
So do they bury themselves?
No, we have the priest of the monkeys. He buries them.
Okay.
So you mentioned like fighting. Do they ever fight to the point where they get badly injured and like die
Yes,
from
so
fighting?
sometimes the monkeys, they fight for territory and also for leadership. Also through the fight, some may injure themselves, but they will never kill each other.
And then what about, so are they strictly, like they don't eat, these ones I see they're eating the ground nuts and the bananas.
That's the
Is
monarch.
that just, right, is that just strictly their diet? Like what other things, are they strictly, are all the monkeys strictly like vegetarian? Do they just?
No, here we have 2 types, and we have the one that is vegetarian. And
Is
that,
it the monarch that's vegetarian?
no, the colobos.
Oh, so those ones are vegetarian.
That's why they
what
didn't
do these ones eat other than
So the monarch, they eat everything,
like everything?
like what we also eat. So they eat yam, fufu, banku, everything that you see.
Chicken?
No, they don't eat meat. Apart from food, they don't eat meat.
Okay, so they don't eat meat. Okay, so neither one eats meat.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the question that I have, how do they prepare the priest to replace another priest?
So it's just like they are choosing for a royal family. So when you are not from the royal family, you cannot become the priest of the monkeys. So we have the particular family that every chief is being chosen from. So it's just like it's a procedure. So when the now priest dies, we have another one to inherit. And when that one also dies, another person will also inherit.
And that person is named to succeed.
Yes. So please, anything to ask again?
So we said 2012. I see one of the latest dates.
We have 2012, 2013, 14, and then 15 is in the bush.
Oh, okay.
And appropriate time, the priest will come and put a signboard on that.
Can you explain again? Because I was back there. So what is this?
So what I was trying to say is that that's the burial